It was very painful. So I'm just gonna empty my hose and I put it back. Thank you so much, guys. Awesome. You are very supported. Hi, Sisi, Autumn. Where did I meet you guys? You guys are so awesome. It's hot. I woke up so late because I went to bed very late. So, this is what happened. I water my plants. It's too hot. I don't know. This is supposed to be not good. Thank you guys. It's still trying to empty this until it's gone. And then I'm done. I empty my hose and I put it back. Right. This is like a stretchy hose and I like it. Yeah. You guys enjoy my yard. You guys enjoy my yard, guys. Super appreciate your support. Promise. Thank you so much. Thank you, XYL, Rabs, and my bird, whoever was here earlier. I'm on my phone. So thank you so much. I can really appreciate all your support, guys. Thank you. Thank you, XYL. Where are you come from, XYL? Where you come from? Are you a Filipino? Let's sit here a little bit. Let's sit here a little bit. Guys, and I underneath the tree. So you can see more. Whew. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you all of you, whoever you. Thank you, Rose Journey, my bird farm. Yeah, thank you. This is just Happy Mac. Good morning to you, Happy Mac. How are you, Happy Mark? Where you come from, Happy Mac? I know you have moderator. I think you already been here. Thank you for support and everything and everything. Whew. It's hot out here. I'm worried watering my plants kind of late. It's noon, almost noon, I think. Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much. That's why I love summer. This is my relaxation place. I cannot complain. And for me, I'm just gonna be staying here. I don't have to be going somewhere else. This is just my relaxing. And right there I can see my pergola with flowers also. But those flowers I have to plant every year. It's only annual. I think most of you knows was past hostas. And we tried to plant these firms. Our neighbor giving up to his old hostas, so we took it and put it. Oh, you're from New York? Thank you, Happy Mac. Are you? Oh, okay. Oh, the smokes from Canada? Not really. Yeah, when that, yeah, I heard that it's going on now. Yeah, can you? Yeah, we are not too far from Canada actually. We are boundaries. We are in Minnesota, so yeah, I do not smell, but like at night it's kind of like foggy. But actually, I did not smell. It happens every year, right? So to make sure I will show you my face also. Yeah, there. Here we are. Here I am. I should say. Yeah, it's been going on. I think since last week. I guess. Yeah. How about you? Do you smell the smokes from Canada fires? Do you? Put back to my view. Actually, I do not smell anything. Yeah, it's just normal. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for I totally appreciate your coming, and I will be ending shortly because I just wanna update my channel. Thank you. And then I also wanna. Yeah, your yard is perfectly beautiful. Thank you so much. Yes, I think it is beautiful, but it's a lot of work. But I enjoy it. I enjoy my yard. This is my place. I can't go anywhere. This is my vacation place also for imagination. Where am I?